Terakhir kali saya melihat istri saya ketika saya mengantar masuk ke ruangan di Rumah Sakit Persahabatan. Itu yang terakhir kali saya lihat dia. Dokter menyatakan dia positif flu burung. Dan setelah dokter menyatakan positif flu burung, akhirnya malamnya dia sudah nggak ada.
In the past 100 years, the world has been afflicted with several virulent and deadly bird flu viruses. In 1918, a bird flu known as the Spanish flu was so virulent that it killed over 50 million men, women and children. An outbreak of the deadly bird flu virus seems to occur about every 35 years, and we can be sure it will strike again. The most recent bird flu has been spreading through Southeast Asia since 2003. It is usually a disease afflicting only birds, but has recently spread to humans. This can have a devastating effect on your health. Indonesia has the highest number of bird flu cases in the world, where men, women and children have died from the virus. As more people contract bird flu, the faster it spreads, so we need to stop the spread. Listen carefully to this video. It will help you avoid catching and spreading bird flu and will help your family stay healthy and safe. To remain safe in our community, there are things you and your family must do. Most cases of bird flu are contracted by slaughtering, eating improperly cooked meat, contact with birds, and unhygienic behaviour. Bird flu can be contained with your help. We must all work together to protect our family and community. Remember these safety steps. Hygiene. Always clean your hands with soap and clean running water before food preparation or before you rub your eyes or pick your nose. Your kitchen must be clean so no virus will spread in your house. Keep your bird cages clean at all times. Keep birds as far away as possible from humans and your living area. Minimize contact with birds. With these safeguards, we can all work towards a safe and healthy community. Eating poultry is safe if you follow these steps. For more information, get this free brochure or call the hotline service if you need help.
Kita sebaiknya nggak usah ambil risiko lah untuk memelihara unggas untuk belakangan ini. Berbahaya untuk kesehatan kita juga apabila kita tidak mengontrol kebersihannya, kesehatannya. Juga kepada masyarakat saya himbau untuk selalu menjaga kebersihan, kesehatan, baik itu fisik maupun lingkungan, agar kita benar-benar dalam kondisi sehat dan tidak mudah tertular virus flu burung. Dan apabila ada unggas yang mati mendadak, sebaiknya kita cepat-cepat melaporkan kepada pihak yang berwenang.